Ready to unlock the boundless creativity of AI art? Today, we're diving deep into Midjourney on Discord, your portal to becoming a digital artist. First, make sure you've joined the Midjourney Discord server. You'll find a link to join on Midjourney's official website. Once in, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where the magic happens. You will see channels dedicated to different aspects of the platform. Scroll down until you see Newcomer Rooms channels. These are for generating your own art and where you'll be spending most of your time. Just a tip, these rooms are public, so anyone can see your creations and prompts. Now, let's generate some art in any of the Newcomer Rooms. Type imagine followed by your prompt. Be as descriptive as possible. Think keywords, art styles, subjects, and colors. Hit enter, and Midjourney will start processing your request. Midjourney will generate a grid of 4 images based on your prompt. Below the grid, you'll see buttons labeled U1 through U4 and V1 through V. For the U buttons, upscale the corresponding image, meaning it will create a larger, higher resolution version of it. To 5 buttons, on the other hand, create variations of the corresponding image. If you like the overall composition of image 2, but want to see slight variations, hit V2. Beyond image creation, explore the other channels. Announcements keeps you updated on Midjourney. News showcase is for admiring art created by other users. General is for general discussion about all things Midjourney. One last thing, be respectful of others and follow the community guidelines. Explore different prompts and styles, experiment with parameters, and most importantly, have fun creating.